A critical requirement of DORA is a fast incident reporting, and to fulfill the requirement, immediate understanding of the entity current weak spot is essential. In case of an incident or fear for an incident, you need a snapshot of all of your vulnerabilities for quick guidance of your incident response efforts, because the adversary, the attacker, is going to use them. You must have immediate capability for CVE detection and understanding which user has connected to which asset and what are the impact of the infected ICT section on our business application, as a good starting point that will lead us to effectively deal with an incident and to an accurate and on-time report on an incident.
So I want to focus on the need for being accurate without taking away from the necessity of speed. Itamar, can Faddom support both of these needs at the same time?
Yes, of course. So we started by explaining the visibility and how important it is to improve your visibility posture within the organization, as Gadi mentioned. In terms of reporting and understanding what can be done in Faddom, because every event is crucial, right? And we have a very short window of time to try and analyze what is the damage, the actual damage in my environment. So it's very important to see it. And that's the basis. So if I'll open Faddom for you again, just to show you some things. So for example, we discussed that the core functionality in Faddom is to build those business application maps automatically. So let's just deep dive into one, okay? Here we have an ERP application. I can go and drill down on a specific server that has different connections right now. And I want to know what was the impact. Okay, so for example, each server has different properties. I can see if it's participating in other business application maps. And I would like to know, for example, if there were any changes in this application map since the attack has happened. So all I need to do is go to the compare timeline, choose the different range of dates that I would like to cover. And then I can see all the different snapshots on how the application looked like before. For example, here I see a connection that was not available at this snapshot at this time over here. And I can also drill down even further to see if there was an actual impact on this specific server. All I need to do is go to the security in the server properties, and I can go to either investigate, or I can just choose and see the actual context if there was any spike in the traffic that is connected to the attack at a specific date. And here I can see a drop. For example, it could be a spike as well. It doesn't really matter. And I can do investigate. I can choose this timestamp versus, let's say, this timestamp. And here I can see different types of information. For example, this is only a demo environment, but I could see if there was any connection, new connections in the environment that were added or removed, any increase in traffic, what's the average, and all those connections that are currently removed or added, and if there were any traffic changes on them. In addition to that, we can also detect the north-south traffic, not only the east-west. And here we can get it from the external traffic screen, so I can see all the communications coming in and out of the organization as well. This is crucial for reporting, okay? When I would like to analyze what was happening, I have this very short window of time. I can do that as well. Everything can be exported in Faddom directly from here to CSV, image, Visio, everything you would like to do. And obviously you can be alerted. Anything regarding security aspects, anomalies, etc., can be detected in Faddom, so you can be alerted in real time.
Sounds like Faddom can really help you stay ahead of the curve and take a proactive stance when it comes to accurate and immediate incident reporting, which is essential, especially when it comes to reporting to the regulator. And if you're interested in learning more about DORA's requirements or about how Faddom can help you ensure that your organization is fully covered, feel free to contact us at faddom.com. That's www.faddom.com. And just the last quick reminder, whoever comes from this video and mentions it can also receive a free trial and a compliance readiness assessment session with one of our pros. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you in the next video.
Get started now with self-service. No credit card or sales call is needed.